Hey there! Welcome back to Rana Crafts DIY. Today, we're going to create something spooky and perfect for the Halloween season, an origami ghost. This simple and fun project will be a great addition to your decorations or even a cool gift. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more DIY projects. Let's dive into the steps and bring this ghost to life with just a few folds. For crafting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this origami ghost. If you did, be sure to check out my other DIY projects for more creative ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all the new content coming your way. See you in the next one.